3, 4, run. Lives in my basement, but I met her on Minecraft. I'm so big that you couldn't save me with a life raft. You couldn't capture all of me in a single photograph. I sound like the penguin from Toy Story when I laugh. I don't own a single pair of pants that covers my ass. She calls me daddy when her spit dribbles down my shaft. In a couple of years she gets kinda trashed. In 1,000 years she couldn't last as long as I last. Last time we fucked I asked her to call me daddy. Got casual cares that I'm a big fat fatty. Good deals and internet are what make me happy. My girl just laughed, time to jacket and be snappy. Grams are sold at Indians, Asians and Iraqis. Under my shirt my body is big, fat and flappy. Start to wheeze when my girlfriend tries to slap me, but I throw her on the floor when it starts to get bratty. Knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. Dinner better be ready when I get home. Keep hitting me, bitch, I'll hit you with a stone. I try not to think about if I was alone. Yeah, I'm a certified EMT. Level-headed guy, and it's not hard to see. In the blink of an eye, I lose all decency. If any of these groups wanna have a piece of me, better stay calm, I'm trained to keep the peace. If I see a sand nigger, I'll tell him to freeze. You have 10 seconds to drop to your knees. When he turns his back, pull the trigger and freeze. I killed the towel head, Islam is a disease. It's like my gun is the cure, I have a PhD. My Minecraft GF is cool cause she's